Hi, I'm Buttery Rick, and I'm going to show you the proper way to eat a chicken wing. Of course, there is no proper way, just eat chicken and eat it and enjoy it. But we're going to show you how to get the most value out of the wing. What we're going to do is we're going to dip our wing into the ranch or blue cheese, depending on what you like. We're going to take it, set it inside. And that's your wing. That's how you eat the wing. Hardly anything left, but you can go back and nibble again as you want. And if you use a fork, that takes all the fun out of it. But you can use a... No, you can't. Okay.
Now eat the other one.
Okay. Well, I got to finish this one. Now for the other part of the wing, again, a little bit of ranch just to help the good to go down. Again, that's the pretty good size ones. There's a lot of ones. I like the thicker, meatier chicken wings because they're better. So you're going to take the same thing, you're going to do the same thing, thick it in. And you look like my son-in-law with the wing sauce all over you. But that's enjoyable. Now you got chewing while you're watching the game. No exercise.